Okay, hello world. So I'm sitting here in our kitchen table, replacing the rubber gasket or bezel or how you call it on my 15-inch MacBook Pro 2015. And I thought I would just try to capture the process because I didn't find any good video on this topic, or I didn't look for it properly, but I thought it might be helpful for someone. Before I start, this is the item I ordered from AliExpress. Not sure if it will be helpful for you, but this is how it was called. And basically the process is as follows. I started here in the bottom right corner, aligned the corner of the gasket with the corner of the screen. Here this will needs to be glued to the frame, and then I just started here and pushed the gasket inside. I will bring my very improvised drawing. So what you see here, this is the glass of the screen. This rectangle represents the glue strip by which the screen is glued to the aluminum frame. And this black thing here is the gasket itself. So you can see that there is a groove in it, and what you basically need to do is to push it so that the edge of the screen sits right in the groove. So not sure how it will go one-handed, but let's see. So you see I already started. I got a couple centimeters already done, and you basically need to like turn the bezel this way, align it with the gap between the screen and the frame, and then using this iFixit spudger or whatever you want to call it. It has a thin but not exactly sharp rounded blade, and you just push the gasket right inside, and then you continue using your other hand. You align and prepare the gasket to be aligned with the groove or with the gap, and you go slowly and patiently like this, and then you, using your finger, just align and make sure that it sits there properly. Let me see if I'll be able to provide you some better lighting. Probably not, but I think that it's pretty fine. So that's the main thing what I wasn't sure about before I started and before I figured it out. And this horizontal part right next to the bottom edge of the screen, I think I will put a thin double-sided tape strip to hold the gasket here, because here the profile is different. It's basically just flat strip from the contact side. So I think that's it. Hopefully it will help someone. Bye.